Hello there again. This is Zef from Dahua Technology, and I'm going to take you through one more module on the web interface of DSS Professional, and that is the education module. So we have DSS Professional, which you can map to your domain. You are able to download the DSS client apps. You're able to download the VDP and the DSS Agilate application based on who is using. I can also explain the difference between the applications in future, but today I'm going to focus on the education solution that we have on DSS Professional. So the education solution, we're going to log into this, and it's going to give us the same typical login interface where I key in the credentials and then log in. So once I log into DSS, of course I'll get a quick warning, but we have two modes. We have class attendance and school attendance. So I want to elaborate one by one on each of the menus, starting with the general school attendance module. So I'll select school attendance, and we're able to see the statistics of how many attendees you would have, how many absentees over a specific period of time. Like in this case, we have normal as 11, late as 11, absent as 21, and on leave as 0. So based on the attendance that is set up for a school, we can have the general analytics based on the devices that we have. Then we can go to the attendance records. When you go to the attendance records, it populates day by day, where we have expected, normal, abnormal, that kind of setup. So just set up your attendance schedules, then you're able to access the different attendance and see the report. So I can click on this and then see, like for me, Zephania is normal. I can even click the information, preview more information about this person, click, even see a snapshot of the log that is captured. Then we can also see the attendance processing records if someone processed. So that kind of setup. So I can like process this attendance, processing unit, normal, and then I add a remark, normal, attendance. So a supervisor or someone who is monitoring the attendance logs can be processing all these records over time, and we see the status and count how many has been processed, how many has not been processed, and such. Maybe someone could be off work. I can just select the details and then mark them as present or absent. Then we have the attendance details. That's now the detailed logs for that specific day. So if you search, you're able to find, maybe for instance, Charles is normal, Zephania is normal. I can click to preview, see the processing records for the specific day. I can also select and export to an external file. Of course, I have to encrypt that file for data security, and I can export all the records or a specific range of the records. Then we come back to class attendance. So class attendance, we can monitor the analytics, like how many are late, how many are normal, based on the setup that you have. We can also process the attendance records for every tutor and student. You preview how many students were in class. So like in this case, we have all students absent. Probably maybe there was something that caused this, and then we can process the record. Then we have the attendance details, where we get a detailed report on the attendance that we would have in that case. Then back here, back home, we have the configuration. So we can configure the attendance for the school, where we create an attendance group, like a training group. We create the attendance rules for the campus, for the class, things like being late, leaving early, absent. Then if you have holidays, you can also manage them. Then we also look at teaching management, where we create the lessons. You create the schedule for the class, the template, then you schedule for every class. Still on the same, we have campus management, which will give us the campus data for the cameras. Then we also have campus attendance points. So we can set this up, and then you have a general school management attendance, mainly focus on attendance. Of course, we have the Dahua Deep Hub series, which focuses on the different parts of attendance for a school, but this is a good start for managing attendance then using Deep Hub to aid teaching and smart learning. So thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we can connect on the same. It's been a pleasure taking you through this. Thank you.